At this point in your life, you've probably heard a lot about how important it is to set goals for yourself. Not all goals are created equal, though. Some goals are smarter than others. Let's check in on Andrew, who's about to graduate with a degree in architectural engineering and is feeling a little directionless right now. Hey, Andrew, you know you're more likely to achieve a goal if you write it down, right? Well, that's an okay start, Andrew. I mean, it's a goal, but it's not a smart goal. Calm down. I didn't mean your goal is dumb. In this case, SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's start with the S for specific. What exactly do you want to accomplish, Andrew? Just saying, I want to get a job is not specific. What kind of job do you want? Do you want to stay in a particular area or work for a specific company? Do you have a salary target? Let's make your goal more specific. How about, I want to get a job in architectural engineering within 100 miles of my hometown. Now you've got a much better idea of where you're going. M is for measurable. How do you know you're on track with your goals if you can't measure your progress? Break your goal down and set some milestones, Andrew. Why not decide that you'll apply for 3 jobs every week, or that you'll finish revising your resume by Friday? A is for achievable. Is your goal realistic? It's great to have ambition, but setting goals that you can't possibly achieve only sets you up for failure. It's better to set smaller goals you can actually achieve. Setting a goal of being promoted to junior partner within 10 years might be achievable, but being promoted to junior partner in 6 months? Probably not. R is for relevant. Does your goal get you where you want to be? It's admirable that you've included a goal of raising the most money for a local charity, Andrew, but will including it in your current career goals help you focus on getting a job in architectural engineering? There, that's better. T stands for time-bound. Basically, this means setting a deadline for achieving your goal. A deadline will help motivate you to stay focused and keep moving forward. If Andrew's goal is just to find a job in architectural engineering whenever, what's to keep him from spending the next 2 weeks playing video games 24/7? Give yourself a due date and stick with it. Well, it looks like we've helped Andrew with his goals. Now how about you? What do you want to achieve? Why don't you take some time to be smart about your goals?